In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Strikethrough feature in Google Docs. Strikethrough is a handy tool for visibly indicating edits or changes in your document without permanently deleting content. So let's dive into the process to seamlessly add this formatting to your Google Docs. To begin, open your Google Doc where you wish to apply the Strikethrough formatting. As you look over your document, identify the specific text you'd like to strike through. This might be something you want to highlight as completed, reconsider later, or simply discuss in your notes. Now with your mouse or trackpad, click and drag to highlight the text, ensuring it's fully selected. You can also use your keyboard by holding down the Shift key while using the arrow keys to select the text. Once your text is selected, it's time to navigate to the next step. At the top of your screen, you'll notice the menu bar. Please look out for the Format menu. Clicking on Format will reveal a drop-down list filled with various text formatting options designed to enhance your document's appearance. Now that you're in the Format drop-down menu, focus your attention on finding the text option. Hover over or click on text, and another submenu will appear, presenting you with a variety of text adjustments you can make, such as bolding, italicizing, or underline. In this instance, let's focus on the Strikethrough feature. Within the secondary menu, scroll down until you see Strikethrough, give it a click, and voila! You'll notice that the selected text in your document now has a line crossing through the middle, indicating it has been strikethrough'd. This visual cue clearly shows that the text is edited or marked for future reference, and that's it. You've successfully added a strikethrough to your text in Google Docs. Not only is this useful for editing purposes, but it also helps in maintaining a record of changes without losing initial ideas or inputs. If ever you decide that you no longer need the strikethrough, you can undo it by selecting the same text again, retracing your steps through the Format, Text, and then unclicking Strikethrough. Just a few simple actions and you can clear off the strikethrough when it's no longer necessary. Thank you for tuning into this quick guide on using strikethroughs in Google Docs, whether for personal organization, collaboration, or editing. This feature is sure to enhance the way you handle text edits. Happy writing, and don't forget to check out more tutorials for enhancing your Google Docs experience.